Say hello to my little friend.
What's up, y'all? So in today's video, we're going to be using the Fortify Quick Coat Spray by Shine Armor to get these bugs and this debris off the new Audi Q3 that we just got. First, we're going to spray the Fortify Quick Coat onto a microfiber towel. Now we're going to spray on the area that we're going to be wiping down. So the Fortify Quick Coat, it's a waterless wash cleaner. So now we're going to take the wet microfiber towel and we're going to wipe down the car in the same areas that we sprayed in. And as you guys can see, it's already removing the bugs already. Just a little simple wipe down. You can see it right here for yourself. You guys saw the bugs earlier. Bugs be gone. Little spots and everything from driving. Just wiping away, wiping away, wiping away. Nice little buff. You don't have to push too hard. Just, like in a circular motion with your microfiber towel. Get that grill nice and clean. You can already see a little shine coming on the little aluminum parts and everything. Now we're gonna take the dry microfiber towel and we're gonna buff that stuff out. Nice, nice, nice. You see it? Nice, already starting to get a shine. You guys can see that. I know you see it. So man, this is a great product. Look at that. This is so easy to do, y'all. So easy to do. You just, man, look at that. Look at the shine. Look at, you see a reflection. Already got that mirror look. Look at that. Those rings never look so good. So now, like I said, look at that side. Look at the dirty side. Clean side. Look at that. Dirty side. Look at that. You see the bugs and everything. Look at that. Look at that. Clean. Mirror finish. Bug side. I'm telling you guys gotta get you some of this right here. The link's in my bio. Use that link in my bio. You get 20% off.
So y'all thought I was finished, huh? Nope. Let me show you guys another demonstration of how amazing this Fortify Quick Coat is. Look at this. Bugs on the mirror. We're gonna get that off. Wet the towel. Wet the mirror. Wipe. Look at that. Bugs be gone. That's what you want to see right there. Bugs be gone. That's right. That's right. Look at that. Good to go. So now it's time to switch towels. Let's get the dry towel and buff this thing out really good. Get that shine. Oh my goodness. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I told you. Gotta get you some of this Fortify Quick Coat. You gotta do it. You have to do it. If you're in a rush, need to get your car clean, extremely quick detail, yo, you need this product right now. Oh, but wait 1 second. Yes, it works on glass. That's right. You can clean your windshield with the same product. Get yourself some of this Fortify Quick Coat. It will save you time. Go to my profile bio right now, smash that link, you get an automatic 20% off the Fortify Quick Coat product right now. Hurry, go right now.